one in CCTV room, one in ground floor FCC room, and one in second floor electrical room.
So these are all
Network.
same or different?
It looks different, but there is no slave concept here. It's all main panel, so you can access from any of these panels.
Any of these?
Any of these panels.
One CCTV.
One CCTV, one FCC room, and one second floor electrical room.
Select second floor electrical room. Third one.
We have two.
Total loops are 10.
10 loops.
Each loop capacity of
240 devices.
240.
Yeah, but depending on the design, it's
Obviously,
variable.
it will change.
Yeah.
Total 10 loops, 240 devices each loop.
Okay. And apart from this, we have a repeater panel without the loops, which is coming in the reception near the lobby, left lobby.
Only one repeater.
Only one repeater. Yeah, two. One in basement, the engineering.
Two repeater panels.
These panels, any alarm comes, it will be reflected there, and you can access the same thing, any of the panels, regardless where you are, where it plays.
Okay.
Apart from these panels, we have the graphics control also, which anyway you have to, one person has to be 24/7 accessing.
So that it will be there. So from graphics, you can do everything what you can do at the main panel.
Except the acknowledging part, where there's a delay acknowledgement. Apart from that, disable, enable, resound, silence, everything is there.
Can be from the
Can be done.
graphics.
Each and every device is placed as per the site condition itself and floor wise.
And each device, once you take the mouse there, it will
You can
show
see the location
everything,
also. Yeah.
location,
Yeah.
everything.
So basically, as a user, you have these buttons. Okay. I've given a sheet also for that. These are the main buttons which we will be using, apart from us, because we have internal there. For you guys, it will be these buttons. So basically, when any alarm comes, the buzzer will come on in all the panels.
Okay.
So to stop the buzzer which is inside the panel, you have to press mute. Just for the internal buzzer.
Okay.
Silence is for the alarm.
For the alarm system.
Reset, do it only if the alarm is clear. Otherwise, it will keep coming
Again,
back.
keep on coming back.
Yeah. LED test is nothing to do with that. It is just the test whether the
Testing.
LEDs are okay.
Okay.
Resound if you have silence, but you want to resound the system again. Press resound. Evacuate. The name itself is explanatory.
So once you press that, the message will start, or
Everything will.
but anyways, like when the alarm is there, the message is there already, right?
No, it
on the PA?
depends on the cause and effect.
Ah,
Yeah, it is there. Voice message is there, apart from the sounders which are there in the rooms. This is the button which you guys will be using mostly when alarm comes.
Okay.
So we have a scenario here where one smoke detector will give a delay timing. So once a detector is active, it will give a fire alarm signal, but it will not start the FX. It will give a corresponding alarm in the graphics panel also, in all the panels also. So once the alarm comes for a single detector, it will start a countdown from 15 to 0 seconds. This is the acknowledgement time for you guys to extend the cause and effect. So once between the 15 seconds of timing, if you press this button, again it will be extended to 180 seconds.
180 seconds.
So till then, there will be no alarm.
Even if you don't silence the panel, so once you only press this before 15 seconds, it will anyways allow you 180 seconds?
Yeah. If you press it. If you don't, after 15 seconds, cause and effect will start.
So there is no sounder, flasher or evacuation message will come on immediately at the alarm?
Only in the bedrooms. In the suite rooms, all the guest rooms, there are sounder bases. Those will come on. Only for the particular room.
Only for the particular room? Immediately? Same time?
Same time. Apart from that, none of the other rooms will be on. No speakers will be on. Till the timing.
So till the timing, if you do that, if you press that button, it within 15 seconds it will allow you more 180 seconds. That is like total you will get around 195 seconds to check everything.
Yeah. So there are two ways actually. If a single detector comes on, it might be a false alarm, it might not be. So anyways, you need time to go and check it. That time, you can either disable it for the time being. So that time this LED will come on just to show that something is disabled. So we'll get a time to go there, reset it if it is clear. Because sometimes even if it's a false alarm, the dust or something, it might stay there. You won't be able to reset it. So it's better at that time disable it, clean it up,
and
then put it back and enable it. But you have to make sure that nothing is disabled. This LED, these
should
two
not be on.
should be off all the time. This means it has to be rectified, and this means mandate someone has actually done it.
Right.
Now, for two detectors, there's no delay time.
Two
So
detectors come on, immediately
Yeah,
starts.
once if one detector is on, at the same time, other or within a couple of seconds, if a second device comes on,
From anywhere.
anywhere, there's no delay timing, it will start the Gaussian effect. So that time you won't get a delay timing or a countdown here.
Nothing.
It will take over.
So once it starts and you have to manage that alarm, for time being, will you be able to disable both the alarms simultaneously on the panel?
You can actually, it will be listed in the events, what all alarms are coming. Click on that, it will go to that page. You can click on that and inhibit it.
Because
So-
what is happening at the, what is happening with the simplex,
Yeah.
if you get multiple alarms,
Yeah.
it
Hang.
gets